A very pleasant morning, students. Class 6th, Session 1, Subject Social Science, Civics, Unit 1, Topic Understanding Diversity. Dear students, before move on to the topic, let me ask you a few questions and note down the questions. Listen the class carefully. Don't skip the class. Let's start the question session. The first question is India land of diversity? I repeat the question. Is India land of diversity? The answer is yes. India is called a land of diversity. Second question. Why is India called the land of diversity? I repeat the question. Why is India called the land of diversity? Here the answer is India is called the land of unity in diversity because it consists of varied culture, customs and etc. Let's see the third question. How many states and territories are there in India? I repeat the question. How many states and territories are there in India? Answer is there are 28 states and 9 territories in India. Okay, let's move on to the lesson Understanding Diversity. Okay, see the title Understanding Diversity. What is understanding diversity? Let me explain. Understanding diversity means to comprehend that each individual is unique. In this definition, we find about unique. What is unique? Unique means different. Example, everyone has unique talent. We learned about understanding diversity. Let's see the definition of diversity. Difference among people on the basis of religion, language, eating habits and etc. is called diversity. A person may follow a particular religion while another person may follow another religion. Different people speak different language. People show diversity in their eating habit as well. Some people eat non-vegetarian food while some other eat vegetarian food. For an example, majority of the people from Gujarati are vegetarian. On the other hand, majority of people from West Bengal are non-vegetarian. This displays as India is a country with unity in diversity. India is having rich cultural heritage due to its historical and geographical features. We have different religions, variety of food, we speak different languages. This makes our country land of colors. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. Everyone on earth differs from each other with respect. Despite the diversities listed above, 3 are similarities that unite us. We all are Indians. During the freedom struggle, the whole country came together to send away the British. It remains as of our unity in diversity. India is brilliant example of unity in diversity. In India, people of diverse religious, cultures, caste, sex and etc. have been living together. This shows the intensive tolerance and unity of Indian people. We all sing same national anthem and celebrate same national festivals. For us, all religions are same and we should respect all religions. I would like to share Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru book Diversity of India. Nehruji also wants to say that we can see unity amongst people of different systems. His famous poem, the title is Don't Forget the Days of Blood. Don't forget the days of blood, O friend. In the midst of your happiness, remember to share a deer for us. The hunter has turned away every single flower to plant a flower in the desert garden, dear friend. These lines reflects Indian essential unity. Now, let me explain the benefits of diversity. Diversity gives many benefits in our life. It adds variety to the way we live. We learn to understand and respect different types of culture because of diversity. Dear students, I wind up my first session. I hope you all learned about diversity and understanding diversity. Next session we will learn unity in diversity. Okay student, today's homework. First question, who is the writer of Unity in Diversity? I repeat the question. Who is the writer of Unity in Diversity? Second question is, what is diversity? I repeat the question. What is diversity? Okay student. Thank you.